ImageBind is a system that produces similar embeddings of a text phrases, audio clips, images, videos, thermal images, depth images, and inertial measurement unit or IMU readings, which include accelerometer and gyroscope measurements. This research is being done by Rohit Girdhar, Aladdin Al-Nubi, Ishan Misra, and their various other colleagues at Meta. ImageBind uses a separate transformer to embed each media type with one exception, which is the transformer that processes images handles video as well as by treating a video as a two-frame image. The training data for this comprised matched pairs of video audio clips from YouTube, image depth scenes shot by a depth camera, image thermal pictures of street scenes at night, and also video IMU shot from a first person point of view. The transformers learn via a contrastive loss function. Given an image or even video and its match in another data type, the loss encouraged these researchers to produce similar embeddings. This result uses a similar method which we already have seen with OpenAI's Clip to classify data using ImageBind. This approach acts as an upgrade for model that generates similar embeddings for examples that have similar meanings in different media. ImageBind really shines out there. It shows that machine learning models don't need to learn from all pairs of data types to produce similar embeddings among various data types. I hope that you also found it interesting. I will drop the link to this paper in video's description so that you can read the full paper with all the examples. And then you can, if you are only interested in abstract, then this is the abstract which you can read through. I hope that you found it useful. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.